Hello and welcome back. With Affinity version 3.2 you can now create custom bullet points, and in this video I'll show you how to do it and everything you need to know. First, I'll delete this and start from scratch. Very important, this only works with the frame text tool, not with the artistic text tool. Select it and type whatever you want or paste some text, but I've prepared something. So I'll select my text and click on bulleted list up here, and that gives us standard bullet points. To customize them, click on the paragraph symbol here. This will open either a window or, as in my case, an embedded panel. Then scroll down until you reach bullets and numbering and click on this little icon. Then select your image. Down here, you'll also find various settings, and I'll show you some of the most important ones. Here, you can set the size of the bullet points. Then there's the vertical height or offset. Here, you can choose the spacing or tab stop. And you can also drag it over the text to change the size. And of course, you can customize individual bullet points separately. Just like before, you can adjust anything you want, but to do that, your bullet point must be selected. You can also change the font weight individually or for all of them at once. And that's it. If you liked this, please subscribe.